Welcome to Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. We're kicking off our day at Samichi Point. Gunnison Point at sunrise. You can see the Gunnison River all the way down there.
Black Canyon of the Gunnison is one of 4 national parks in Colorado, and even though we thought it was very impressive here, it is the least visited national park in the state. It is actually one of the smallest and least visited national parks in the entire country. Gunnison Point is pretty close to the park entrance, and this is a must-see overlook. We highly recommend this spot for sunrise because the views were stunning.
This is amazing. We've been here for only a few minutes, but I'm already in love. One last view from Gunnison Point. Time to start hiking. We're headed out on the Oak Flat Loop Trail. All Trail says it is 1.4 miles, but it says 2 miles at the trailhead, so we'll see.
Black Canyon of the Gunnison preserves the most narrow and deepest section of the Gunnison Gorge. Some areas of the canyon here only get 33 minutes of sunlight per day, and that is how the park got its name. The best time to visit here is April through early November when the South Rim Road is open and you can easily access the best sites.
So one thing is for sure today, we are definitely not going to lose each other. This was completely unplanned. Bright enough for you guys? All Trails was on the money. It was pretty much 1.4 on the dot, not 2 miles like the trailhead sign says. We recommend doing it counterclockwise because it makes the ascent a little more gradual. This trail wasn't overly exciting, but it does give you a couple cool sneak peeks of the canyon. We are checking out the view from the Cross Fishers Overlook. I feel like videos and pictures don't do this place any justice, but this is insanely impressive. Overlooks that I was most excited to see. This is the painted wall view. This is definitely my favorite so far. Wow.
Painted Painted Wall is the highest cliff in the entire state of Colorado. From the Gunnison River to the rim of the canyon, it stands at an impressive 2,250 feet. This is an overlook you don't want to skip if you're coming to this national park. It's only 200 yards from the road to the overlook, and the view is worth every step.
What I don't want to tell you is there's a close to 3,000 foot drop behind her.
No big deal.
Huge deal.
I did a little research before we came to the park, and everything I read said that Gunnison Point was the best overlook in the park, but I don't know. I don't think you could top that view. We are headed out on the Warner Point Nature Trail. According to All Trails, this is the #1 ranked trail in the park. It's 1.5 miles out and back with 423 feet of elevation gain. We made it to the end of the trail. What do you think, babe?
It's pretty amazing.
I think I found the best seat in the house. There is a north rim and a south rim here. We are sticking to the south rim. Most of the better hikes and outlooks are on the south rim, and it's about a 2-hour drive to get to the north rim. However, if you are looking for a more secluded experience, definitely head to the north rim. There are a lot less people there. The south rim is a little bit more touristy, although we haven't encountered too many people at any one location so far, so this is nice. We're changing up our plans a little bit. We had planned to hike a few more trails in the park, but we did the top 2 ranked trails in the park. They were a little underwhelming, but it seems like the overlooks are absolutely mind-blowing. So we're gonna drive along Rim Drive Road and we're gonna check out some more overlooks, and then eventually we're gonna make our way down to the Gunnison River. So we'll try to get you guys to some of the best places in the park. Next stop is Dragon Point. I'm sorry to report there are no dragons here. The next stop on Rim Drive is the Cedar Point Nature Trail. It's pretty short, it's only 4/10 of a mile. This is actually one that I had on our list to do anyway. I feel like the GoPro doesn't do this overlook any justice, but this one is actually pretty amazing. Pro tip, the best view is in between where the handrails are.
There's one. There's the other. Notice no protection from the cliff.
The next overlook we are checking out is Chasm View. Devil's Overlook. After this, we only have one more overlook to check out. Last overlook for us on Rim Drive. Please note that we did not go in order. We did the few that we wanted to see first, then went all the way to the end of the road, hiked a trail, and then hit the overlooks on the way back. But we did hit all of them.
After we finished hiking and exploring all of the overlooks, we drove down the East Portal Road to the Gunnison River.
So we made it down to the river, the Gunnison River, and we picked out a nice little spot in between fly fishermen, which is pretty cool.
It's a good snack spot.
It's going to be a very good snack spot.
Healthy cancer-fighting snacks. Gary's non-healthy, non-cancer-fighting snacks.
Cheers.
Hey, did you guys know that organic celery sticks in French is bâton de céleri biologique? You're welcome. All of the trees here are green. And then check out this guy. He's like, nope. All right, we are driving up East Portal Road now, so our time at Black Canyon of the Gunnison has come to a close. We had an amazing day here. If you come here, we highly suggest driving Rim Drive and checking out all the overlooks. You won't be disappointed. The views are absolutely mind-blowing. So definitely come here, check it out. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Many more adventures are on the way.